Hey, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and I want to help you avoid this one common mistake that people make when they make raised bed gardens. And this mistake, when you make it, will cause you endless problems. So very simple to avoid if you just set up the bed correctly the first time. So raised bed gardens, I love them, and stacking up cinder blocks. I'm actually making this raised bed garden for the soil detox project. And it's been kind of fun. I've been learning how to cut cinder blocks, which has been awesome. And the Soil Detox Project, if you haven't seen some of my other videos on that, that's where we're taking, there's a bunch of microbes and stuff that I'm testing out to see. The claim is they can eat up heavy metals, forever chemicals, pharmaceuticals, glyphosate, and so I'm going to build this raised bed garden and grow a bunch of stuff and do a whole bunch of testing and verify if that claim is true or not. So I needed to build a raised bed garden, and the biggest mistake that I see people doing is they don't properly clear the ground ahead of time. So a lot of people think, oh, I just plop it down on the grass, I'm going to put, 3 or 4 layers of cardboard, and then there'll be 2 feet of soil on top of it. The grass will never get through, and I'm going to tell you from experience, that grass will just love you, and it will come right up through there, and it will grow, and then instead of having a raised bed garden, you are going to have a raised pasture. So really, really thoroughly clean the soil and the ground, and then yes, absolutely put some cardboard down. And then what I will do to maintain this was I will always take the weed whacker and keep this area absolutely clear of grass on the edge, because grass will grow right up through here, and then it's not going to go, oh, she made a wall, I shouldn't cross it. No, grass will absolutely grow up through that. So you need to keep the grass out of your raised beds. And honestly, this will cut down a huge amount of weeding and a huge amount of frustration. And if you do it properly in the beginning, you can have one of the most effortless growing systems ever possible. So if you want to know more about growing food in your backyard, and I do recommend some simple raised beds like this, you really don't need that much space, go to backyardfoodproduction.com, and I have a very simple 3-part system. I've actually cherry-picked all the different ways to grow food and picked out the 3 easiest but yet most productive ways. The webinar is designed for people who have no experience. Maybe you're older, you're out of shape, and it'll teach you how to grow a lot of food in your backyard. That's at backyardfoodproduction.com. We'll see you there.